In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a Zoom session and then post that recording in Canvas. So right now I'm in Zoom. This is my Zoom profile. I have gone to mercer.zoom.us and located my profile. So I am going to, I've already created this meeting here, so I'm going to start that meeting. Okay, I'm going to go through my prompts. Alright, and since I'm wanting to record this meeting, I'm going to click down here in my toolbar, and you'll notice right here is the record button. So when you click on that, you're given two options. You can either record on this computer, and this option will provide an MP4 file for you to place in your Canvas course if you'd like. I don't really recommend that, just because of the fact that video files tend to be quite large and they will take up a lot of space in your Canvas course. So my recommendation is that you record to the cloud. This means that your video will record and it will be saved on the Zoom website and in their storage area. So then they provide a link to you, and then you don't have to worry about taking up too much space in your course. So I'm going to click here on Record to Cloud. Alright, so then when that happens, then you'll notice up here in the left corner that there's this cloud icon with a blinking red dot and recording. And then you have a pause button and you have a stop button. So you can use those tools throughout your lecture as you're recording it. You also have those same pause and stop recording buttons down here at the bottom. So at this point, you just go about your Zoom meeting as you would normally. You share your screen if you'd like, here or here. If you'd like to just speak to your students and have video of your face, then you can just click Start Video as long as you have the webcam. So now I'm going to go ahead and stop the video, or stop in the meeting, so then I can show you how to access that link that you can then paste into your Canvas course. I'm going to click End Meeting, End Meeting for all. Alright, and it does take a little while for the recording to process, and so what Zoom will do is send you an email letting you know that that recording is ready. So then I'm going to show you how you can go in and get that link and then paste that in Canvas for your students. Okay, so I've navigated back to my Zoom profile. Again, it's on meetings here. So what I want to do though is access my recordings. So here I'm going to click on recordings, and I actually ignore these top few. I have some recordings processing. I want to focus here on this chapter 2. So since I want to share that link, I'm going to click over here on Share, and then I'm going to highlight just this link here. Okay, I do not suggest clicking on Copy to Clipboard, because if you do that, it'll copy this entire section, and that will not work. So I suggest that you highlight, right-click, Copy, and then you're going to go over to your course. Now I'm going to put it in my modules area, so you can click here on plus. You want to make sure here, this usually it says assignment, you want to make sure it says external URL. So then you're going to paste in here what you just copied, and then you need to give it a name, the page name. So I'm going to call this chapter 2, because that's what the recording is called. You can call it whatever you would like for that, because this is what the students are going to see. Alright, now add item, and by default it's not published, so you'll want to publish that so students can see it. And then when you click here, then you'll see that your video is here, and then students can just press play. You'll also get a transcript over here. You can also, I'm going to show you how to post this in an announcement, so this or if you put it on a page or anything like that. So I still have that that link copied here. So if I put an announcement, I can put chapter 2 lecture, and then I can just paste that here. Or if you want to call it link to lecture, you can highlight this, click the little chain icon, and then paste that link here, click insert link, and either of these will work. So I click save here. I can click that. It's going to open a different window, take the students to that video. Same with this link here. So either way that you would like to do that will work just fine.